Under the economic loss doctrine, damages for pure economic loss are not available in tort actions like negligence and strict products liability. The Illinois Supreme Court explained the policy reasons behind this doctrine in the case of Moorman Manufacturing Company versus National Tank Company. Moorman Manufacturing Company bought a steel grain storage tank from National Tank Company for its feed processing plant. About 10 years later, the tank developed a crack over a period of a few months. Moorman found the crack when it emptied the tank several months later. Moorman then sued National under tort theories of negligence, strict products liability, and innocent misrepresentation. Specifically, Moorman alleged that the tank was defectively designed and manufactured and sought damages for the costs of repairing the tank and the lost use of the tank. National moved for dismissal, arguing that Moorman couldn't recover for purely economic loss under tort theories. The trial court agreed and dismissed Moorman's claims, but the Illinois Appellate Court reversed, and National appealed to the Illinois Supreme Court.